This is part 3 of the DTR project. So I'm going to be putting the air filter in next. I'm going to oil it all up, just dip it in a tub of oil, 10W30 oil. I'm going to clean this and clean this cage as well. Filter oiled up now. I've put it back in. I'm going to be getting some sponge for the front, because it's a slack fit there. Dust will get down there, but I'm just going to leave that in because it's got oil on. And now the airbox cover I'm going to put on, I've sanded that down all smooth. And that's it on now. I have to sand this again because I've scratched that. And some more parts have come. Indicators come that here. Just going to find another bracket. I've got that to go on the top of the battery. Some of those for the carb warmer pipes. I've put the steer bracket on. I've got the harness going up that way. I've changed some plugs to newer ones. I've put the back brake bracket on. Maybe change that clip now. Didn't see that one. This is how you change the plugs. This is just a spare harness. So see, you've got like that, and at the top you can see there's like a little metal tang pushed up keeping these wires in. I've just been using a little precision screwdriver. Just put it in above it, push it right to the back, and then push like as if you're pushing the metal tang back down. Turn it side to side a touch as well. And that's it. That's just the tang what you bend back. If it'll focus, that little one there, so I'll bend it back up. So when you put it back in, you want it like that. And then when you put it back in, that's it, back in tight, because that little tab hooks on something in here. So you could do all your harness like that, clean your full harness up. And if you do the connectors on this side, you've got to go in that way, but you can see the tangs above them. Next, I'm going to be rebuilding the master cylinder for the back, just like that. You get a spring, the one for the front's the same. You get a piston, it's got a rounded top end, that part fits into it. You've got that, and you've got a circlip. I've already put the circlip onto there, that big black one there. So first, they're the two seals. One's got a bigger diameter than the other. And that one goes onto there and fit it that way. So it goes in there like that. Just slide it over. It's best to have a little pick to just slide it over. And that's it on that way. You can coat it with a bit of brake fluid, it'll go on easier. Now we're going to put the bottom one on into there, which is that one. It goes into there. that faces that way like that. And that's that one on. Should be looking like that. Now I'm going to cover all this in brake fluid and put some brake fluid down that hole as well. Then get your spring, put it on there, it just pushes on. Then we'll put the spring with the piston into there. Just push it in. It should be like that. It should spring out when you push it in. If you put the seals in the wrong way, the two seals, the black seals, that doesn't spring out. Right, now I'm gonna put this on. So you'll be pushing that into there. You've got to keep that pushed in while you get the circlip into that groove down there, what goes on the bottom. So I'm going to get the circlip and that part on now. And that's the circlip down in its groove, down in there. This just slides on now, this black part. And you just push the black part in gently with a screwdriver just to get all the way up. That's it done. Nothing with them really. Do the front master cylinder as well. The seals are the same as the back master cylinder. The only thing different is the piston. Got that button anyway. Just this one goes over here into that hole. It goes that way like that. Into there. So we're going to put that on. So we'll have that one on that way. Just push it on from the side, just pushes over. And we're going to put the top one onto there now. And that's the top one on now. So it should be, that piston should be looking like that. Now we're going to put the spring on the top. Just pushes on. You can see it's just the same as the back caliper spring. Now we're going to put the circlip on. Before I put the rubber boot on, before I fit it back into it. So you slide the circlip on there, and coat all this with brake fluid, and coat all in there with brake fluid as well. So if you can see, that's where the circlip fits down the bottom. You can't really see it because it's not focusing in, but it's down there anyway. And put that on now as well. Just once this is in your master cylinder, you can't get to it, just slides on. You might have to go around that other pick to get it to sit in the right way. It's on. That's how you want the top part, like that. Like that. Just slides over like that. That's your button when you look up the master cylinder. That's that there. So there's nothing to it really. Right, I'm going to coat this now and put it into the master cylinder and put the circlip on. And once the circlip's in, push this rubber part down to the bottom. That's the circlip at the bottom, you can just see it. So circlip all the way down there. Just see one of the eyes. And that's it done. Should be looking like that. Just give it a test as well. Just push the button. It should spring back out. And that springs back out good. And when I put the front master cylinder back on and the rear master cylinder, there's a ring here as well. That ring goes in there. Just I forgot to put it in before. And that's the front master cylinder back on with the lever and that all rigged up. I can put the brake switch in now, and that little tab fits over this tab here, that circle in the bottom, so it just clips in. Just like that. And it goes to there. And now all the switches on. The hose is tightened up now as well. Ready for the caliper to be put on. I've got that of an RE. I might try and take that off and put it behind the grill and in front of the oil bottle. And I've put the speed one now. Put a new clip on there. Got the brake, top of the brake on. I've rigged that up. I'm going to rig that indicator up. And I'm going to try see what the clocks, see if the clocks work. And they've come on. Got the backlight as well. Indicator. Light on there on the harnesses, on the other part. Horns working. Got the master cylinder on now, all rebuilt. So there's not much to do now. Calipers next video, putting the panels on. Alright, thanks for watching.